Okay, welcome to Jeff Outdoors. We are checking in. Today is Wednesday, and we are coming up on our trip, heading back up to Old New England. And we're going to be spending some time with some family and doing some other things. So, gearing up, getting ready, heading out soon. Sitting around today just thinking about all the stuff I need to pack. Thinking about being off for a couple weeks, which I will be. So, I'll be off. Where'd Jeff go? He's off. So, I'm off. All right, so, yeah, I get the joke. Yeah, oh, he's off a little bit. Maybe I am. Who knows? Giddy up. So, we are sitting here thinking about these kinds of things here. Have you not seen this before? This is one of my favorite tools of all time. See that? That's a kniff, eh? Look at that. And she just goes right back. She goes right back on there when you're done. Bam. It locks on there. So what you can really do is this. You got your fork and knife. So if you're out in the field, out in the woods, you're cutting and you're eating. Or you've got your spoon. Or you got to open a bottle or a can. Right there is pretty much all you need for the most part. Put that on your keychain. Don't lose your keys. You'll be ready for anything. This is a Coleman. It's a Coleman. This is not an endorsement. I'm just showing you the knife. It's made by Coleman. Nice little spoon, fork, knife, can, bottle opener, etc. Very simple, very easy to pack. So if you don't want to buy a bunch of camping forks and knives and all that stuff, go with one of these. I have another one just like this that's older, and it's not a Coleman. So, tip of the week. Check it out. It costs about 12 bucks. Okay, well, we'll see you when we get back from Maine and New England areas. And we'll keep the journey going here. Hopefully, I'll actually be posting some stuff while I'm off. Until next time, don't forget to fiddle and banjo your way across old planet Earth. See you next time.